ሰላም ሰላም የብሬን አካዳሚ ቤተሰቦች፣ ዛሬ ደግሞ በአዲስ ቪዲዮ ተመልሰናል። ግሬድ 11 ላይ ስታቲክስ የሚለው ኮንሰፕት which is about quartile የሚለውን ኮንሰፕት እናየዋለን ማለት ነው። so this says what the interquartile range of this given data. So as you know, data is two types, which is grouped and ungrouped data. So this is type of ungrouped data. So for grouped data we will came later. So it says what? Find the interquartile range of what? This given data. So before going to do this one, what does mean interquartile range? So as you know, interquartile range is what? The difference between what? Quartile 3 and quartile 1. Yes? It's the difference between quartile 3 and quartile 1. So we are going to determine first what? Quartile 3 and quartile 1. As you know, range is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value. So as there are three quartiles. Yes, as you know, there are three quartiles, which is Q1, Q2, and Q3. From this, Q1 is the smallest. Q1 is the smallest. Q2 is the middle, or which is the median. This is equal to the median value, and this one is what? As we compare with these two, it is the highest value. Yes, it is the highest. So interquartile range is the difference between these two. Now let's going to do the Q1. Yes, let's find Q1. Simply let's have Q1. So before that, we are going to find what? We write this data in what? Ascending order, which is what? From the smallest to the largest. So let's start from 1 1. Let's have ascending order. So ascending order example, which is 1 1. Then 3, yes. After 3, then 5. We are going to show after 5 there are 2 6s, 6. Then what? 7, 8. So let's count the observation. Let's count the types of observation, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it's 8. Now let's count also our ascending order. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. So our n becomes what? 8, which is what? Even. Yes, it is even. If the data is even and odd, it has different formula. So from this, let's have quartile. So quartile is it divide what? The value which is qk. Qk is what? Nk or kn. We can simply kn divided by what? For it divide the data into what? 4 plus. So plus. If it is even, we are going to make what? Nk over 4 plus 1. Yes? Divided by 2 what? And this item no what is mean. Yes? This item. So our n is 8. Our n is 8. So our k is what? 1. Because we are going to find what? Q1 and Q3. So 8 times 1 divided by 4 plus 8 times 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 2 items. Yes, guys, this item. So this becomes 2, which is 2 plus. This is 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes, 3 over 2 items. Now simply we are going to divide what? These values. Yes, so this is 5. 5 divided by 2 is what? Which is 2.5. 2.5. This is not the value, guys. So this is 2.5 what? Items. This is, we can write this like this. Yes, 2 plus 0.5 into what? Which is 3 minus of 2. Yes, 3 is these items. This is items. Yes, because 3 minus 1 is 1. 1 times 0.5 is 0.5 plus 2.5 becomes what? 2.5. There, so there is no difference. So we are going to add. So the two items is 1 to 1 plus 0.5 into 3 items is 1 to 3. 3 minus 1. Yes, 3 minus 1. So 1 plus 3 minus 1 becomes what? 1, which is 2. 2 times 0.5 is 1. So this is 2. Yes, our quartile 1 is what? 2. Now we are going to find what? Our quartile 3. So we are digging what? Q1. Now let's have Q3. Q3 እንፈልግ ማለት ነው. Yes, so Q3 is Kn over 4 plus Kn over 4 plus 1 divided by 2 these items, yes? These items are ማለት ነው. So our K is 3, yes? Kያችን 3 ነው የሚሆነው 3 times our number of data is what? 8 divided by 4 plus which is what? 3 times 8 over 4 plus 1 over 2 items, yes? These items ነው ማለት ነው የሚሆነው. ስለዚህ this is by 4 1 by 4 2 this becomes what? 6 items plus 7 items divided by 2. Yes, እንደዚህ ማለት መጠቀም እንችላለን. Also 6 items means we are count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 items is 6 plus 7 items means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 items is 7 divided by 2. This becomes what? Which is 13. 13 divided by 2 becomes which is 6.5. Yes, 6.5. 6.5. ይሄ ምንድነው? Q, our Q3 is about 6.5. Our Q1 is 2. So we are asked is what? To find the interquartile range. Yes, the interquartile range. So interquartile range is the difference between what? These two, which is Q1. Sorry, Q3 minus Q1. Then we are getting 6.5 minus 2, which is what? 4.5. This is our answer. Yes, guys. So we are we did stepwise. Stepwisely, let's see again. 4.5 number. So this is all about this question. So we will further do for if this data is what? Grouped. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So thank you for your time.